give it a try. I just got this Nikko Krios battery charger and tire pump. This is what it looks like up front. I've had these before, they're really cool. It even has a flashlight, you can use it as a power bank, but most importantly, you won't believe how well these work. You get everything you need. You get the clamps here, everything you need to pump up your tire, basketballs, motorcycle tires. To work the battery boost, what you're gonna do, you see down here, you're gonna flip this open here, you're gonna connect this in here just like this. And you see it like that. You don't wanna let these touch. Red to red, black to black, just like this. You're gonna have to get it kind of close. You should hear a beep once it goes on. Let's give it a try. There we go. You got the battery going right away. I've had a couple of these. It's absolutely amazing just to have these around. Just have this in your car. Charge it maybe once every 3 months. If you have cars where you have battery issues, this will start it every time. Check out Nikko Krios Battery Jump Starter.